left-hand side. Actually pretty cool though. That is a convertible house, alright guys? In the master bedroom, they push a button, the roof opens automatically, which is pretty cool. And then if it starts raining, it'll close on its own, which is pretty cool also. Alright, now you have these two newer style homes over here on the right-hand side. Got the one boat there in the water, the gray boat there, the one next to that one on the right side of that house. Those two had one of the oldest houses on the island there. And that used to belong to Sonny and Cher back in the day. And then the one next to that, two-story greenhouse. Now this greenhouse here actually belongs to the owners of Seagram 7. They like to bottle Seagram 7. This is actually where they live. Now a lot of the older captains told me this is a great neighborhood to come to back in the day. They told me you used to come over here, get a couple of drinks, then you go to Sonny and Cher's house for live entertainment. And if you had one too many, no problem, you spend the night at Motel 6. Wake up the next morning, have an Alka-Seltzer, and do it all over again. That's what they told me. Alright, next one over here on the left-hand side, folks. All the boats there tied up there facing us. That is the Fort Lauderdale Yacht Club. Now, you don't need to own a yacht to be part of the yacht club. You just have to have yachts and money. Alright, guys? It's like $10,000 a month to be part of that yacht club. Alright, guys? And I don't even think that includes the boat slip. So there you go. So if you want to tie your boat up there, it's going to cost a little more.
Thank you.
Alright, well, if you look here in front of us, you have the house there on the left side there. Looks like the White House. Now that house actually belongs to a gentleman who works for GM Cars. Now he actually invented a clutch in his garage of his car. I'm sorry, the garage of his house. I'm sorry. And what it is actually an invention of a clutch that goes on the AC compressor of your car. And when your car would come up to temperature, it would shut the compressor off so it wouldn't freeze. So he took his invention to work, said, hey guys, I want to sell you guys my invention. They said, no, you work for us. So we own it. And he said, no, I quit, which I don't blame him. And he took him to court and he won like 10 years later. He won $2.63. And he won $2.63 for every car that came off the manufacturer line. And he's doing pretty good though, guys. He actually put a $5 million guest home in not too long ago. So I don't feel too bad for him yet. The red one right there next to it, I'm allowed to say. And he actually just bought this boat not too long ago here. That is his boat. And he bought it, I think he's the first owner of this yacht here, guys. Now, cool thing about this house is, I'm sorry, the yacht. Like I said, I can't talk about the house. But the yacht there, that let's say you guys are on your boat out here one day, and you're roaming around, and I'm not there to tell you who owns what. And you see a yacht like this one, right? You want to know some information about it? If you type in, you can't just type in the name on Google. All you gotta do is type in the motor yacht at the end of it. And it tells you a lot of information about the yacht, like how much fuel it can hold, like how far it can go on a full tank, how long it is, who owns the yacht.